But the Grinch, who lived just north of Whoville, did not. The Grinch hated Christmas, the whole Christmas season. Now, please don't ask why. No one quite knows the reason. It could be his head wasn't screwed on just right. It could be, perhaps, that his shoes were too tight. But I think that the most likely reason of all may have been that his heart was 2 sizes too small. 'Tis the season of cheer, and Christmas is looming. But the Grinch isn't happy. In fact, he is fuming. With a hatred so deep that he just can't conceal it. To cancel this Christmas, old Grinchy will steal it. To get into town, to make it the distance, you'll need to find Max. You'll need his assistance. Slither and slink, with a smile most unpleasant. To earn more rewards, collect every present. More hot than a chimney, more sweet than a nuzzle. It looks like you found Grinch a piece of a puzzle. Collect all the pieces to unlock more skills. With brand new abilities come brand new thrills. In order to make his way into the town, old Grinchy needs Max to make the trek down. Jump over up. Ha! Hang and climb. Well done. Spiders turn Grinch from a grouch to a grump. You can either avoid them or nimbly jump. Look around. Look around. Ha! 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 Look around. Ha! 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 That jingly ball is so big it could crush, turning Grinch to Grinch soup and Max into mush. Ha! Max is nearby, and Grinchy can feel it. His tail wags reveal him. He just can't conceal it. Ha! Ha! Ha!
Ha!
Heavy door. Max must be nearby. If you stick to the trail, you can follow the sound of the wag of his tail. After searching through packages, boxes, and sacks, finally Grinch has found cute little Max. Reunited with Max, Grinch is feeling more brave. Together, the duo must trek through the cave. This door is locked shut. The hinges all glitch. Help Grinch and Max find the sneaky creek switch. To get on with the plot, to move on and explore, little dog Max can help open the door. There's a switch to unlock on this door's other side, but this trapdoor is so tiny, you'll need a small guide. The trapdoor is too small for old Grinch's round shape, but Max can wiggle right through without even a scrape. Switch between Grinch and Max. A now open pathway was closed just before. What a great Grinchy trick! You've opened the door! Now Grinch can continue. You're well on your way. The countdown is on to steal Christmas Day. Keep going, old Grinch. You've got Christmas to take. You've got presents to steal. And who hearts to break. Push rocks. That rock can help you reach the ledge. A cave full of secrets in crannies and nooks. You'll find hidden places. You just need to look.
Oh. Oh.
There's stuff in the foreground. In the background, there's more. You can warp from the front to the back to explore.
Ha. 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 Oh. Ha. Ha. Oh. Ha. Oh.
Come back to the front. Time to get on your way. You've got work to do to steal Christmas Day.
Oh.
Jump on objects like rocks to get even higher. Nice job, old Grinchy. Sprint.
Ha. Oh. Ha. Ha.